By combining rules with categories, you can work quickly and easily. For example, emails with certain properties can be automatically assigned certain categories. How do you make a rule? Right-click on an email. Select Rules, and then select Create Rule. Now you have to select or create a condition. In this case, I select a condition related to the subject and I adjust it slightly. Whenever the subject says lorem ipsum, the rule must be applied. Now I select Advanced Options. In the top screen, I can choose even more conditions if I want. I don't do that now. In the bottom screen, I can choose to refine selected conditions. That's not necessary now, so I click Next. Now I can select follow-up actions. I want to assign categories, so I select the third option from the top. Assign it to the category. In the bottom screen, I can click on Category to determine which categories I want to assign. I'm going to do it now. A pop-up appears. I select all categories for this example and I will click then on OK. I click on OK. And the categories are shown here. Then I click on Next. If I want, I can select exceptions, which is not necessary now. So I click Next again. Now I apply this rule to messages already in my inbox. And this rule is now enabled. Now I click Finish. A pop-up will appear. Just click OK. As you can see now, categories are now assigned to this email. All emails that meet the conditions have been assigned now these categories. But let's see what happens if a new email is coming in and is meeting these conditions. As you can see, the same categories are assigned.